Welcome to the complete Shopify Dropshipping Business Masterclass, the complete Shopify course. My name is Leon Chaudhari, and in this video, I would like to give you some information about me. Then afterwards, I will give you the opportunity to introduce yourself to the course community. But again, my name is Leon Chaudhari. I'm the CEO and founder of Teaching Hero, the world's biggest online teaching agency. And I didn't really start my career in dropshipping or business development at all. I actually started my career in the field of science. I started my career at the age of 14 at the Free University of Berlin with electron spin resonance spectroscopy, and then won Germany's biggest science competition called Jugendforscht, won that twice, and Germany's National Environmental Award. But at that time, I realized I don't want to be a scientist. I don't want to be someone who sits in an office or is in a lab all day long. I want to do something that is perhaps a little bit more creative and that gives me the freedom to travel the world and to do what I would like to do. And very soon, I came up with an idea. I wanted to import products from China and basically sell them for more in my home country in Germany. And that is what I did. I started my first dropshipping business at the age of 16 and generated very quickly very good 5 figures. But I wasn't happy with that. So I continued my journey in dropshipping and then scaled my first dropshipping business to 6 figures, and now I'm managing multiple businesses that are altogether generating 7 figures in profit. So where exactly do I see my own experience? Well, definitely in business development, online marketing, Shopify, Amazon FBA, and investments in portfolio management. So if you have any questions concerning these topics, you can message me at any given time. Currently, I manage dozens of Shopify stores. Some of them I already outsourced and many of them I sold. I currently have multiple Shopify stores that generate very good 6 figures every single year. And I also have 3 businesses in the ad tech sector, let's call it. I have a company called Teaching Hero that produces online video courses. Then a company called Hero Academies, where basically I create online academies for influencers from the United States, especially in the fitness and business sector, and my Hero Accelerator, where I teach people how to make money online. And I especially teach people how to become location independent. So basically, how they can build a business that they could manage from anywhere in the world, whether it's from their home or whether it's perhaps from the beach. Now, I do not say that it doesn't take any work. It definitely takes some work to build your store and to scale your Shopify dropshipping business. But I will take a lot of the work off your shoulders, because here in this course, I'm going to give you an A to Z guide on how to build and scale your Shopify dropshipping business. So don't worry. The only thing you should worry about is that you watch this course from the beginning till the end, because we're going to cover a lot of material. And also, if you have any questions, you can message me at any given time. I'm always willing to answer your questions, and I'm actually quite happy to receive questions because it is a sign that you are watching this course. So if there's anything you would like to know, just go into the Udemy Q&A section and then ask me the question. I will try to get back to you in the next 24 hours. Also, if you want to send me a private message, perhaps you have an idea for a Shopify store and you don't want to share it with other people, then send me a direct message here on Udemy and I'll get back to you in the next 24 hours as well. And of course, I will keep all of your messages secret. I will not share anything with anyone because many people are perhaps, a little bit unsure about their ideas and they don't want to share it with other people. That is fine. I will keep it secret. So for now, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for trusting me to teach you to build a Shopify empire. And believe me, in this course, you will learn what probably no other course here on Udemy or anywhere else can teach you, because I've done it. I know how it works, and you will learn step by step how to build your empire, and that quickly. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.